Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to tow Range Rover Evoque, only way. Begin by securing the ignition in accessory mode and engage neutral before connecting the tow vehicle, then lock steering to prevent wheel damage during movement. Confirm brakes on to test disconnect procedure and inspect hitch and safety chains for secure attachment. Communicate with your partner using clear signals, move slowly, and recheck connections after the first few yards to ensure safe towing. Gather a rated flatbed or tow dolly, heavy-duty hitch, and quality safety chains before starting. Verify tire pressures and battery condition to avoid surprises, and prepare wheel chocks to prevent roll. Keep the car in neutral and steering unlocked only if specified, otherwise secure steering as instructed. Always follow the vehicle's unique towing points. Practice a short test pull to confirm stability and communication with your driver. If you are finding this video helpful, please hit subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice to keep your cabin smelling great during long tows and road trips. It pairs surprisingly well with a clean tow setup. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Approach towing step by step. Align vehicles, secure the hitch, and attach chains in an X pattern for redundancy. Set the Evoque to neutral and confirm parking brake is released only if told by the manual, then fasten wheel straps snugly without over-tensioning. Use a spotter to guide the first few feet, drive cautiously under 25 mph for initial distance, and pull over to recheck all fittings after a short test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.